Hello YouTube, welcome to Zippo video part 4. I have some Zippos here, and I also have some Zippos in the case here. I'm going to have to turn the case and spin it around by hand to show you all the Zippos, because if I just start grabbing them one by one, I'll forget which ones I grab. So I'm going to shut the case off, and hopefully it does not affect the quality of the video. Oh, perfect. I'm going to start from the top. Got this, see me in the camera. Brand new with the seal. It's a 2010. Next is a camel Zippo in the old style box. I believe it's brand new also. Yes, it is. It is a can't speak today. XII. XII is 96. No, that was not me yawning. That was just me talking in a funny way. This is an old style Zippo box. J.E. Rose Excavating. This is not brand new. Stamps upside down on this one. 2517191, I believe that says. Yes, it does. And you can read it too. 1950 to 1957, I think, right? Am I right, YouTube? I'm saying all these, I think I should be memorizing this. Yep, 50 to 57. Next is Modern Supply Company. Zippo. Slash on the left only. Straight up and down, vertical slash. 1973. If I spin my case around, Zippo with, it says Bob on it, it's a polished chrome. Three slashes on the left, 4 on the right. I think I just dropped my Zippo card. Oh, there we go. 3 on the left and 4 on the right. I think they're backslashes. It is, or 4 on the left, 3 on the right. Is a 1983. 1983 Zippo Bob. Next one is, I think, an odd duck. I think it's really cool. I wish I had more of these. It is in a white Zippo 1980s box instead of a black one. I don't know what they call this design. You can call it something. If you have a name for it, let me know. Can't really distinguish that out. That's a 1 forward slash on the left and 1 forward slash on the right. That's what that is. I should have this memorized by now. I keep saying that, but I don't, unfortunately. Probably wish me just shut up and quit rambling. It's a 1980. Right? Yep, 1980. Next is also in a black case. See if I can get that Zippo case back on. I'll mess with that later. Also in another black case, it's a brushed chrome. Got a few dents and dingers in it. It is a got 3 forward slashes on the left and 3 forward slashes on the right. 1976. By the way, I'm looking at eBay trying to buy some of these black boxes so I can put my Zippos right in my case. Because currently they're just in there. Got a polished chrome there. Polished chrome, got a bunch of scratches on it. It's a 2003. This one is a 19. No, it's a replica, I believe. This is XV which is a 1999. It says 2032-695. That could be a fake. Be real. I'll take a look down inside here just a second. Nope, it's brass. It's got the original insert in it, so it's real. That I just have standing up in here. I just have standing up in there like so. I'm just going down the rows here. By the way, my camera doesn't fall off my tripod. RDL, straight lines. Can't really see it. 3 straight up and down slash on the left, 3 on the right, which is 1968. Zippo. This is a, I think this is a Marlboro design Zippo. I just don't have the box for it. There's no flints in any of my Zippos except for the brand new ones that are still sealed. This is a 2003. I hate when it's blurry in one spot. Finally clears up, you take it out of the camera, it's blurry back there. Nothing you can do. Zippo, brushed chrome, needs a little TLC. It's XIV. Let's see if I can do this. XV is 1999, so it's got to be 1998. Yes, I got that right. See, it's helping with my memory, eventually. Okay, now I am believing this is a silver Zippo. It says 2000 XVI, except the copper ting is not there. And it's different. Look at the bottom, you don't see, see if I can get my flashlight here. Just a second. By the way, I still got a couple parts left. I mean, I don't know how many parts I'm going to have, but see if I can get my handy dandy flashlight. Dimmest. You look down kind of in the case. It's not brass like a normal Zippo would be in like this one. It's not brass like you see inside there. It's a different color. You tell me if this is silver. Silver, or I got a fake silver. I'll continue on. Not try to ramble. It is, like I said, it was 2000 XVI. The only one I didn't show on this side was the brushed chrome 2005 Zippo lighter. Moving the rack on. These next 4 are brand new. Polished chrome police Zippo. It's a 2011. I'm sorry if this bores you to death. 2012 police line do not cross. I had a request to show all the dates on all my Zippos, so I'm trying to go as fast as I can. 2011. Now I have both styles of the bottom stamps. In the black matte, I have the brass, and then I have the regular others. And this is 2012, brand new. This one is 2011, brand new. Gotta watch my time here. I think I can do one more rack. Now I have 2 of these. They're both brand new. I got 2, both brand new. I'm gonna set one down here. XII. I think the other one is the same. Let me check. Yep, XII. B of XII. Which I think is what the other one said too. And put it back. XII is 96. I got 2 also of the Marlboro Golden Star Zippos. Got 2 of them babies. One of them is I think it's XIV. Here, I'll go ahead and pull it out. XIV. It's a 98, I think. Yes, it is. It's a 98. 1998. Getting better with those familiar dates. Not quite as much with the others. See if this one's the same year. I'll try to do it on camera here. Quickly. Yep, XIV. Same one. 1998. Get the insert back in. Both brand new. They don't have the seal on them brand new, but they are. They have not been used. I don't smell any Zippo fluid in them. So, next one is KLS Zippo. No, that's not my initials. My initials are KLG. I wish I can polish that out and put a G in it, or KJG, Caleb Joseph Graham. I wish I could put a J and a G there instead of an L and an S. But it's got one forward slash on the left, 2 forward slash on the right. You can see they put the sticker there. 1 on the left, 2 on the right, which is 1979. This is, I guess, it looks like a it's XV, so I think it's 99. Yep, 99. I guess it's a casino type game on there. A piece broke off of it, I guess. That's the way it was when I got it. Satin chrome, that spectacular Zippo. You can buy them at Walmart right now for like $9.99 plus tax. But this one's a 2004. Just not a couple more Zippos over. This is a brushed chrome. It says 2032695 on the bottom. Let me get my camera to focus here. 2032695. Let me guess. 1937 to 1950. Nope, that's 2032695. Oh yeah, that's it. Yep, 1937 to 1950. I'll open it up for you. These little TLC. Now, generally, if my lighters and my brass lighters look dirty, now this happens to be a copper Zippo. It is a 2003, the 03. On it to stop, I think here, my Zippo armor case, which I carried for a couple days. It's a 2011. Next one is Cleveland Industrial. It says Tim. It's brand new. How often do you get the 1970s Zippo brand new? 1 slash on the right, 1 on the left. It's a 1972. How often do you get one of those? You gotta pay $10 for it, or 15 or 20 or something like that. I think 20 is well worth it. American flag Zippo. Not brand new. I think it's got a brand new insert though. Yep. Never burned. 2003. And the last one for this part is a Chevy truck Zippo, which I used to carry this one until I was doing some Zippo tricks and it doesn't quite close all the way, and then can't do Zippo tricks. So I'm going to send it to the Zippo repair company. It's a 2013, by the way. So that's it for part 4, and look forward to part 5.